Where are you going there?
Why don't you just put stuff on seat and just tidy it up?
Is it recording?
Yeah. Take one. I'm in frame.
Mhm.
I'm in shot. So, testing. Testing on T3. Can you hear me?
Yeah.
I know you can. Oh, we've got to Campervan finally. So, we'll give you a quick guided tour. It's a bit of a mess at the minute. We've just come back from a biking route. So we've been after one for quite a while, and eventually in September we come across one from Workshop, I think we got it from, and hopefully I've got a good camera woman capturing everything in frame.
Oh.
So kind of your basic setup, rock and roll bed. That at the back is a 4x4 awning, which we're going to attempt to put up today, so that should be a few laughs and giggles. Storage in here for our biking junk at the moment. Oops. More storage down there under your usual leisure battery, water, gas and so on, and then kind of standard setup, 2-ring gas burner, sink, plenty of storage up here. Still got to try and really organise it to a good decent setup what we're wanting. Nice sunroof, more storage over the cab area.
Bit dirty that.
Plenty in there. Oh, been doing its job. Beauty about this one as well, because we've got a big family. We've got 6 seats, as you probably can see. 3 at front, 1 here. 2 seat belts on rock and roll bed, so we can transport 6 people in one go. We've also it's a drive away awning, 4 berth.
You said that.
So that's plenty of sleeping space. Gonna make a couple of adjustments to it. Thinking of relocating this table and putting this onto a swivel base. Gonna get a hammock for front to make that into another sleeping area. Oh yeah, fitting some solar panels. Yeah, really good bargain on it.
How much were it?
This dealer had it for all summer. Nobody seemed to want it, and I only come across it by chance on Auto Trader. And it's only done 54,000 miles for a 2012 model.
How much were it though?
A fair few pennies, but got it at a good discount rate as well. So we've booked tickets for Camper Jam. Yeah, safety first, carbon monoxide detector. So yeah, we've got tickets for Camper Jam next year, so we will be up there, and hopefully a few more camping events. And I think all that's left to do now is put the awning up and let you guys have a giggle at us struggling. See you shortly. Oh, so another thing to mention. Obviously if you're watching my channel for the first time and you're watching a campervan video, you'll see that we do a lot of mountain biking videos. But we're going to do 2 sections, so we're going to have one for mountain biking and one for campervanning. So other places we'll visit up and down country. And one of the main reasons we did get a campervan is so we can go further down south, up north or over to Wales, and not got to think about, oh, I've got a 4.5 hour drive back home. We can stop over, enjoy day more or weekend. So look forward to that coming. Okay, see you soon.